Welcome. In front of me I have REALME Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, I recommend to check the battery level on your watch, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. And I recommend to check if it's above 20 or 30%, and if it is, you can continue. If it's not, I recommend to charge the battery. Then we can open the settings on our watch, and to do that, press the Chrome button, then press it again, tap on the settings icon, and here look for the system option and tap on it, then find the option called reset and tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, tap on it again, and the watch will start resetting. Now let's wait until the process is complete. And here we have it. Once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.